Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Nintendo Switch emulation. Specifically, I'll show you how to add XCI files to Yuzu. This will allow you to play your favorite Switch games on your computer. Let's get started. First, let's briefly understand what XCI files are. XCI files are basically ROM files for Nintendo Switch games. They are digital copies of the game cartridges. Yuzu is a popular Nintendo Switch emulator. It lets you play these games on your PC. Now, before we begin, I have to say this is for educational purposes only. You should only play games that you own legally. I'm not responsible for any illegal activities. Alright, let's jump into the steps. First, you'll need to have Yuzu installed on your computer. If you haven't done that yet, download it from the official Yuzu website. Installation is straightforward. Just follow the instructions. Once Yuzu is installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. This ensures better compatibility and performance. Now, we need to add your XCI files to Yuzu. Open Yuzu. Go to the File menu. Click on Add New Game Directory. A window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where you have your XCI files stored. Select that folder. Click Select Folder. Yuzu will now scan the selected directory for XCI files. After the scan, the games will appear in Yuzu's game list. If the games don't appear, double-check that your files are actually XCI files. Also, ensure they are not corrupted. Sometimes, downloading from untrusted sources can lead to corrupted files. If you're still having trouble, try restarting Yuzu. This can sometimes resolve minor issues. Another thing to consider is your Yuzu configuration. Make sure you have your keys set up correctly. You'll need the prod.keys and title.keys files. These keys are essential for Yuzu to decrypt and run the games. Getting these keys is a separate process. I won't cover that in this video, but there are plenty of resources online to guide you. Keep in mind that having the correct keys is crucial. Without them, your games simply won't load. Once you've added your XCI files and configured your keys, you should be able to launch and play your games. Remember to adjust the graphics settings in Yuzu for optimal performance. This might require some experimentation to find the best balance between visual quality and frame rate for your specific computer. Experiment with different settings like resolution scaling and anti-aliasing. Finally, some games may require specific updates or DLC to function correctly. Make sure you have these installed if needed. That's it. You successfully added XCI files to Yuzu. Enjoy playing your Nintendo Switch games on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe for more tutorials and gaming content. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or other methods linked in the description. Your support helps me create more content like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.